Hi, in 12th standard you have many topics to be learnt under organic chemistry like amines, alcohols, aldehydes and ketones. Okay. Once you are thorough with the fundamental concepts in 11th standard, then it's just the application of these concepts in 12th standard. Okay. Let me show you with an example. Here I have to convert this haloalkane to an alcohol. First, we have to react it with alcoholic KOH and heat it. So, what happens is dehydrohalogenation will take place. So, here this halogen and one hydrogen will get removed. You will get an alkene which is CH3, CH double bond, CH and CH3. Okay. This one on treatment with ozonolysis. So, this reaction you will study both in 11th and 12th. Okay. So, when I apply this, you will get an aldehyde which is CH3CHO. Some tricks and tips will also be given to show how this product is formed. So, once I get this aldehyde, I have to treat it with a Grignard reagent, that is CH3MgBr. We will get CH3CH3OMgBr. This on hydrolysis in the presence of H plus will give you this alcohol, which is a secondary alcohol. Okay. So, in 12th standard the complete portions will be covered, which will be very useful for your board exams and all the competitive exams.